So this old fence has to go. Problem is, we've got some major problems in the way, but we're gonna make it look beautiful. So the first part I can see is gonna be really tricky is not ruining any of these plants, which is on this whole massive run here, because they look absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna show you probably our biggest problem on this job. On that side, which we'll go around and show you now, there's concrete everywhere. There's a lot of smashing concrete up today. For some reason, I don't know who has done this, but along the line, this has all been concreted up against the fence all the way along. But it's pushed it all out. It's all over the place down the line. The line's out down here, doesn't look too bad. And then you get down there, and then there's paving that's been cut into the fence, and you can just see how bowed that fence is. All over the place down here. This is a mess. This is why we're here, to sort this absolute nightmare out. So the first job, like most jobs, is just start cracking on, because this is going to be one of those tough old couple of days. I've got a funny feeling. It's a heavy one. So I just want to quickly show you, because this is the first lot we put in April, I think it was. Maybe even earlier than that. It was wet, I knew that much. So we had this lot going. This was a really good run. Basically the same size run going down there, you just won't see as much because of the shrub borders and the plants. So down there needs to look as good as this, which it will. So one of the biggest pluses of doing a fence when you've got neighbours both sides, and they're both lovely neighbours, I will add that bit, is you get coffee from both sides. I don't know if they know it, but we're getting coffee almost every half an hour here. It's an amazing rate of coffee. So you can sort of see what we're competing against with all these shrubs in the way down here. This is our first hole going in as well, added on to the original fence that we done in April. So we just got to start this one off. Once we've done this one, we are off. We can set a string line up, which is a must on a fence. And if you're doing any fencing, set a string line up, it'll save you. And then we're going to start getting them in, and we'll show you then. Let's get it all in. Oh. So we're just setting all the fencing ready for here, because it's easy for us once the line's up to just get it that side, straight in, done. Oh, so while we're moving all of this gear, all of this is from Golding's Timber, which is in Bristol. I struggle lifting this. I'm knackered now. I don't know what happened to me recently. I'm just getting so weak. But the lad who does all of this and drops it all off to us, not only does he supply timber, he's also very well known on social media for lifting stuff above his head, heavy things. I could do it in right now, to be honest with you, but he's probably very busy just lifting something stupid right about now. He's worth checking out on social media, because not only is the materials unbelievable, it's really funny content. It's great content to watch. You can see him basically putting other people's backs out and him getting a buzz out of it. So it's pretty good to watch, but I've not done any of that. I'm not going to.
Do you carry them on your own usually, Pat?
Oh, I just felt, I'll admit that.
I don't know what they are, but
heavy.
Weight-wise, but they are solid. Drop your end first. Fingers. Well, so far, I don't like to say it because we're having a really good day. You can see we're absolutely motoring along. But all I'm hearing up there from our labourer Cam, who's been with us years now, on and off, is how easy this job is, and talking and messing around. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to go back up there. He don't know this yet. And I'm going to tell him he's got to get on this mic. And then he can run the rest of the job for a little bit. So get ready for Cam. He's going to hold the stage and we'll see how we get on from there.
No, I'm ready to roll. Never tired. Never tired. No, never tired.
A bullshit? A bullshit?
Tell us what we're up to there, Mucker.
That's what we're up to.
How are you feeling moving those concrete? They heavy, those concrete posts?
Heavy, but nothing I can't handle.
Ooh, you're hard, showing off.
Anything else to say to the camera today?
No, I can't think of anything. You got me on the spot. This is, I don't know how he does it, to be fair. It's like, it's all up here, isn't it?
Did you fence all day long? With the concrete panels and the posts?
Yeah, I reckon I could, yeah. All day. 6 o'clock finish.
What, you're not...
you serious?
Not tired.
No.
Really enjoy what he done there. To be fair, he was all right. But all jokes aside, we are complete. We are done. Apart from a bit of making good down here, which we'll explain in another video, another day. We're going to concrete all down the bottom when we're doing some patio for him. It's all in. It's all amazing. It's all solid. Customers both sides absolutely loved it. And I've got to be honest with you, I've probably had, within 2 days worth of work, about 20 coffees because I've had 10 from this side, 10 from this side. I've had sausage rolls from here, bacon sandwiches from there. But after that, all in, done. Well pleased. All the way up here, connected into the original fence that we did say we done. But yeah, we are super, super happy. Very hard graft, these concrete posting panels. That's probably the only thing with them. But once you sort of get your head around it, get those holes done, it's not too painful at all. We're really pleased with the step down, everything. So we really, really hope you've enjoyed watching this one, because this has actually been really good. Cam's just going to go through the beds today and then take out all of the stones and compost them all up as well, right? Right, so that's us done then. I'm going to let him finish up in a minute because he actually done quite a good job today. Get it all wrapped up and spoke about it.
Yeah.
I can't take it serious, very good. No, it's good. We've actually had fun doing this one. What turned out to be a really good job, because at the start I thought it was going to be hell, this one, didn't we? It's tough, heavy going. Anything to say about it?
Done it in the end.
Yeah.
Done it in the end. So.
We didn't work till 6 o'clock one night either, did we?
No, unfortunately.
About 4 o'clock finishes. Yeah, so we're wrapped up, we're done. This is another episode. We hope you've enjoyed watching this one, because we've actually enjoyed doing this one, so it's just quite cool. So if you can, well, you know, what have we got to say? What do you do at the end of the video?
Like, comment and subscribe. This has been Green Genie.
I like that. Right, that is us done. We've checked out another amazing project done by the Green Genie boys.